welcome back to another daily vlog. I just had my breakfast this morning and did some emails and did my skincare. Now I want to do a workout. I would go to the gym, but I'm waiting for a parcel, a very special one. My iPhone 12 is supposed to come today, so that's why I want to stay home and work out here. But yeah, feel free to join this workout with me. I think I'm just going to focus on upper body today. I'm feeling a bit skinny up here and I want to build muscle. I'm drinking BCAAs, which I get from womensbest.com, and they're supposed to help reduce the burn so you can lift and work harder while you work out. Okay, so I just finished my workout and the very special parcel has come, so it's time to open it. Struggling to open it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's very compact compared to the old days. It's got iPhone on the side here. It's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It actually came early because it's Friday now and I was expecting it on Tuesday. It feels so big. Oh my god. It's so nice. Wow. Compared to my old phone, and people made fun of my phone because I still have a button. I'm just so ancient. So the only thing that comes in the box is this cord. The cameras look so big, like such big black cameras compared to my small little camera here. But yeah, I got the gold and it's shiny gold around the edges. Pretty. And then the back is more of a matte gold. It kind of looks silver in that camera, but okay, I'm gonna set this up and I'll be back. So you can transfer all your stuff, your data from your current phone to the new phone, so that's what it's doing right now. So I'm guessing that will take a little while, but I put the green case on. How nice is it? And then I bought this marble, what's it called, a pop socket, so it's easier to hold because it is really big. It just feels really big in my hand, but I love it so much, and it's way easier to have one of these things on it. I just can't wait to test out the camera and see what it's like and how different it is to my current phone. So that dark green case was from Apple and it was expensive, and then I got the pop socket from popsocket.com, I think it's called. I just liked the white and gold with the green, and then the phone is gold. I also just got a cheaper clear case because I did want a clear case initially, but Apple only has the clear cases with the MagSafe logo kind of magnet showing, and I didn't like the look of that, especially because I take a lot of mirror selfies for my job and for Instagram, and I just didn't like the look of it. So I got this cheap one. It's probably not the best protective case. It is like kind of a bendy, kind of thin case, but I could put it on for photos if I want the gold phone to shine through and I don't feel like having green. The things you think of as an Instagrammer. But yeah, I'm so excited. Hey guys, so I've just been enjoying and setting up my new phone. It's really hot today. My curls are not looking that great, so I thought I'd film me doing another sleek tutorial that I like to do if my curls don't look good, and I'll use a ponytail extension. I've just put makeup on because I have to take photos of a dress for Dish Boutique. And yeah, I'll probably go to Fabian's for a swim, as I always say in these past couple of vlogs. Just gonna put some Fenty Glow lip gloss on. Gonna spray my scalp with the BB Curl Reactivator. And just gonna use a comb to do my middle part nice and neat. Just gonna brush it down. And then with a normal elastic, I'm just going to tie it into a middle/low ponytail. Actually, I'm going to add some gel. It's the Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly. I used this in my last vlog. So I'm just going to glaze that over. It smells nice. And then I use this toothbrush. I don't use it in my mouth, it's just for my hair, and I dip it in the gel and just brush back the edges and the baby hairs just to make it look extra neat. And because my hair is quite short, some little pieces do pop out, so I just use bobby pins to pin those back. And then just some hairspray. And you could wear your natural ponytail like mine. Mine's just a big fluffy ball. But I'm going to add a ponytail extension from Bebonia. They have amazing curly extensions. You might have seen my clip-in ones that I posted on Instagram. It made my hair look like a mermaid and they look so natural. So I'm going to use another elastic to turn that ponytail into a tight little bun. Then we have the curly ponytail here, and it has an enclosure like that, and you just kind of place it on top of your bun, and then it's got inbuilt clips that you just pin into the base of the bun. Then it has an elastic and you just pull that to tighten it, and then I wrap the elastic around the base of the ponytail, and then I'm just pinning down that elastic in place. And there we are. This is one of my favorite hairstyles to do right now. So natural looking and very sleek and sophisticated with some hoop earrings. I'm also going to spray some of that BB curl spray on the curls to give them some definition. They're so soft. I love the smell of this spray as well. This is the dress from Dish. It's so pretty. It's like a nice light linen material. I think it's linen. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe cotton. So I'm just going to quickly take some photos of this and I'll get back to you later. Hey guys! Oh, I don't know what camera to look at because there's three, but this is the fisheye lens of the iPhone. Look how long my arm looks. I think since I last spoke to you, I took photos of that blue dress and then I went and did groceries, and then I got a screen protector for this iPhone because I was like, I'm not going out without a screen protector on this. Now I'm at Fabian's house. We're going to go out for Italian for dinner. My face is so oily. Like when I say I have oily skin, hopefully you can see what I mean. My skin's also really oily because it was really hot today and I was sweating a lot. And I put... Hello.
Hello, Poppet.
I was telling them how I was ready for a swim, put my bikini on, packed my bags, opened the door, and then it started hailing and storming, which is just classic.
I'm sure no one asked, but...
Which is just classic Sydney weather, don't you think?
At the moment, yeah.
Okay, talk to you later.
I found it! Sock.
I'm scared I'm gonna jump it. Off to dinner! Woo! Guys, if you haven't tried Pinotto, it's like the Italian Coke and we love it. And with oranges as well.